Hello class, welcome back. In previous video we have done introduction part about coordinate geometry and we have covered first 4 questions of exercise 22nd A, and today we are going to start from question number 5th. Now question number 5th is plot the given points on a graph sheet and check if they lie on a straight line. If not, name the shape they form when joined in a given order. ये देखिए फर्स्ट पार्ट देखिए A point is 0 2 having coordinates 0 2. Here x coordinate is 0 means point lie on y axis. So this is the point 0 2. Now coordinates of B are 0 3.5. Again x coordinate 0 means point lie on y axis 0 and 3.5. Clear? Coordinates of C 0 5. Again x coordinate 0 means point lie on y axis, that is here. Clear? D point के coordinates 0 6, that is here. After joining these points they form a straight line. Clear? Now see third part. Second part आप homework के लिए try करना. Third part देखिए. Coordinates of E are 4 5. Here x coordinate is 4 means this line, and y coordinate is 5 means this. Where these line meets, these are the coordinates of point E 4 5. Now coordinates of F. Here x coordinate is 5 and y coordinates also 5. ये देखिए x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate also 5. So this is the point F. Clear? Now see G point 5 7. X coordinate is 5. X is 5 but y आपका क्या 7 means where these lines meet, this is the point G. Clear? Now coordinates of H. When x is 6 but y coordinate is 5, that is this point. Now if we join these points, ये देखिए अब मैं शेड कर रहा हूं इसको. If we join these points form a triangle. क्लियर? रेस्ट पार्ट्स आप होमवर्क के लिए ट्राई करना. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज लोकेट द पॉइंट्स A12, B42, C14 on graph sheet taking suitable axis. Write the coordinates of fourth point D in order to complete a rectangle. कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या आपके पास 1 2 4 2 1 4. ये देखिए A point is 1 1 2. When x is 1, y coordinate is 2 means this is the point. Clear? That is A 1 2. Clear? इसके बाद देखिए B 4 2. Here x coordinate is 4 means this, but y coordinate is 2. This is the point B having coordinates 4 2. Now coordinate of 6 C देखिए, coordinate of C 1 4 means when x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 4 means this is the point, that is C 1 4. अब इसमें देखिए अगर आपको रेक्टेंगल को कंप्लीट करना होगा then fourth point will be at this position. Clear? Because in rectangle opposite sides are equal, है ना? तो now D point के coordinates क्या होंगे? Please see, always you have to write x coordinate first. Here x is 4. अब मैं शेड कर रहा हूं इसको देखिए. x is 4 unit and y देखिए y is again 4 unit. So coordinates of point D will be 4 4. Clear? Now see question number 7. Question number 7 is locate the points A12, B34 and C52 on a graph sheet taking suitable axis. Write the coordinates of the fourth point D in order to complete rhombus, that is ABCD. Measure the diagonal of this rhombus and check whether they are equal or not. Clear? Now see, points are A12, 34, C के coordinates क्या हैं 5, 2. Now what do you mean by a rhombus? In rhombus, opposite sides are parallel and all sides are of equal length. Clear? Now plot these points. Coordinates of A is 1, 2 means when x is 1, y is 2, that is this point. Clear? This is A 1, 2. Clear? B point देखिए 3, 4 having coordinates 3, 4. When x is 3, x coordinate is 3, that is this line. And y coordinate is 4 means this. Where these meet, that is the point B. That is 3, 4. Clear? Now C point देखिए having coordinates 5 and 2. X coordinate is 5 but y coordinate is 2 means this point. Clear? आपको क्या बनाना है? Rhombus. In rhombus, opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. Now if I join AB, BC, this is the C point, 5, 2. Now fourth vertex will be at this point, that is 3, 0. Point lie on x-axis having coordinates 3, 0. Clear? So D point has coordinates 3, 0. Clear? And second part देखिए, measure the diagonal of this rhombus and check whether they are equal or not. Now diagonals आपके पास क्या हैं? This is the first diagonal and this is the second diagonal. Now ये देखिए, first diagonal is AC and second diagonal is BD. Now AC की लेंथ देखिए अब 1 यूनिट, 2 यूनिट, 3 यूनिट एंड 4 यूनिट. AC की लेंथ कितनी है? 4 यूनिट. क्लियर? नाउ BD की लेंथ देखिए, BD again 4 unit. So diagonals are of equal measures. Clear? Hence we can say that diagonals of a given rhombus are of equal length, that is 4 unit. Hence we can say that diagonals of given rhombus are of equal length. That is 4 unit. Clear? Now 8th question आप homework के लिए try करना. And now see question number 9th. Question number 9th is plot the point A24, B42 on a graph sheet and draw a line passing through these 2 points. Extend the line on both sides to meet the coordinate axis. What are the coordinates of point where this line meet the x-axis and y-axis? Now let's plot. Points आपके पास कौन से हैं? A that is 2, 4 and B that is 4, 2. Now see. Coordinates of A that is 2, 4. Here x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 4. X coordinate is 2 means this. And y coordinate is 4 means this. Where these line meet, that is the point A. That is 2, 4. Clear? Second point that is B, 4, 2. Here x coordinate is 4 but y coordinate is 2, means this is the point B, that is 4 2. और क्वेश्चन में देखिए आपको क्या बोल रहा था, एक्सटेंड द लाइन टू बोथ साइड। ये देखिए अगर मैं लाइन को एक्सटेंड करूं ऑन बोथ साइड्स, नो, आपको क्या बताना है इसमें, what are the coordinates of point where this line meet the x axis and y axis? Now see, x axis को कहां पे मीट कर रही है, this point, so coordinate of this point will be 6 0 because it lies on x axis. Clear? Let this point be C. Clear? And line which intersect y axis, उसके coordinates क्या होंगे, ये देखिए, this point, let this point be D. Now coordinates of D will be 0 6 because point lies on y axis. Here x coordinate will be 0. Clear? Now see question number 10th. Question number 10th is, from the given figure choose the letter that indicate the location of the following points. First is 2 1, x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 1. X coordinate 2 but y coordinate 1. Which point is this? That is E point. Clear? Now B part देखिए, x coordinate 0 but y coordinate is 5. X coordinate 0 but y coordinate 5. Point lie on y axis, so this is the point, indicates B. Clear? Now C part देखिए, 2 0, x coordinate is 2 but y coordinate is 0. That is the point lie on x axis. This point is G. Clear? इसके बाद देखिए, आल्सो मेंशन द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट ए एंड एफ। आपको क्या बताना है, ए पॉइंट के और एफ पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स। नाउ जो आपका एफ पॉइंट है कहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है, ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, हियर वाई कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 0। नाउ जो एफ पॉइंट है बिल्कुल मिडल में है 5 और 6 में, सो हियर एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 5.5 and y coordinate will be 0 because this point lie on x axis. Clear? Now a point के coordinates देखिए, a point, draw perpendicular line on both the axes. Now the distance along the x axis from the origin आपका क्या होता है, वो x coordinate, that is 4, and distance along the y axis from the origin आपका क्या होगा, y coordinate, that is 5. So coordinate of A will be 4 5. Clear? Now see question number 11. Write the coordinates of all the points on the graph given below. Now see, जो आपका C पॉइंट है, क्लियर, ये देखिए C पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स देखिए, x कोऑर्डिनेट इज 4 एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 1। क्लियर? नाउ A पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट देखिए, A पॉइंट x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 7. Clear? B point देखिए, B point is this, x coordinate is 7 and y coordinate is 4. Clear? C point भी हो गया. Now see D point. Where is D point? This. Here x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 4. Clear? E point देखिए, E point पे here x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 5. Clear? F point देखिए, F point here x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is also 5. Clear? Now G point के coordinate देखिए, G Here x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 3. Clear? Rest points के coordinates are for homework. Clear? Now see question number 12th. Question number 12th is for homework. Now see question number 13th. Question number 13th is fill in the blanks to make the given statement true. A point in which x coordinate is 0, ये देखिए x coordinate आपका 0 है and y coordinate 5 will lie on y axis. y axis पे आपका x coordinate क्या होगा 0. सेकंड पार्ट देखिए all points with y coordinate 0. अब y coordinate 0 है, that point lie on x axis. फिर थर्ड पार्ट देखिए द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ एनी पॉइंट लाइंग ऑन द वाई एक्सिस इज ऑलवेज 0. वाई एक्सिस पे आपका एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा हमेशा 0. क्लियर? फोर्थ पार्ट देखिए द पॉइंट वेयर द टू एक्सिस इंटरसेक्ट इज कॉल्ड ओरिजिन. क्लियर? फिफ्थ पार्ट देखिए फॉर द पॉइंट 5 2, ये देखिए रफ में बना रहा हूं मैं. 5 2 means x coordinate is 5 and y2. This is the point 5 2. आपको क्या बता रहा वो क्या पूछना चाह रहा है द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द x एक्सिस मीन्स x एक्सिस से कितने डिस्टेंस पे है मीन्स दिस डिस्टेंस इज 2. क्लियर? वो x एक्सिस से डिस्टेंस पूछना चाह रहा है. डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द x एक्सिस विल बी 2. नाउ सिक्स्थ पार्ट देखिए डिस्टेंस ऑफ एनी पॉइंट फ्रॉम द y एक्सिस इज x कोऑर्डिनेट जैसे इसमें था. क्लियर? सेवंथ पार्ट देखिए द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द ओरिजिन आर 0 0. क्लियर? नाउ क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर फॉर होमवर्क आर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12th, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8th and question number 11 remaining parts. Okay, thank you class.